Service in Oxnard has issued a flash flood warning for southern Los Angeles County in southwestern California until 1 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 9:57 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 3 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include downtown Los Angeles, Boyle Heights, Commerce, East Los Angeles, Vernon and Huntington Park. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots.